A very warm good morning to one and all present over here class. Welcome to the digital platform of APS. Now this is Pawan Kumar. Today I will start lecture 6 of, this is lecture 6. Lecture 6 of chapter complex number. So class, in previous lecture I have discussed argument. Now in today class I will discuss polar form. So see the topic, polar form of complex number. Polar form of complex number. Polar form of complex number. Let us consider, let Z be any complex number such that or represent in complex plane such that Z is equal to x plus iy such that x comma or for all small x y belongs to real number represent in Cartesian plane. So suppose this is any points P having coordinates x comma y in complex plane, the complex number that will be z is equal to x plus iy such that x belongs to real and y belongs to real. Now draw the projection. Let Pm be the perpendicular drawn from P on a x axis. Similarly, perpendicular drawn from P on y axis or consider that is Pn, and the line OP is making an angle theta with the positive direction of x axis. Now see from figure, we can write from figure in triangle OMN, in triangle OMP, consider OMP. Now cos theta we can write OM upon OP. This implies OM is equal to OP cos theta, and if you will take the ratio of sin theta, so Pm upon OP will be equal to Pm is equal to OP sin theta. So Pm, OP and Pm, this is x and y. So we can write here, therefore x is equal to OP, consider OP is equal to R. So x is equal to R cos theta and y is equal to R sin theta. Now you know, since z is equal to x plus iy for all small x comma y belongs to real, now z is equal to, we can write R cos theta plus IR sin theta. Now this is the complex number in polar form. See, This is the complex number in polar form. So complex number in polar form, we can write mod of z is equal to r cos theta and ir sin theta. See, polar form. Now I will come to the next topic. The next topic is questions related to polar and modulus argument. Now see, questions related to modulus, polar and argument. Now see, question is find the modulus and the principal argument of complex number. Find the modulus, arguments or principal arguments of complex number. Find the modulus, principal argument modulus, principal argument of complex number, and also find amplitude or polar form. Polar form, and given complex number is 1 minus root 3. Z is equal to 1 minus root 3. 1 minus root 3. This is given. This is plus 1 plus minus root 3. So this one we can write 1 plus, this is I root 3. Now this is format of Z. Now see the solution. We have to find out the modulus. So modulus of complex number, you know, modulus of complex number, that is mod of z is equal to root over 1 whole square plus root 3 whole square, and this result is 3 plus 1 4, 4 result is 2. So mod of z you will get result 2. Now we have to find out principal argument. So how we will find out principal argument? First of all, you have to compare from polar form this equation. Principal argument comparing from polar form, and polar format is z is equal to r cos theta plus I r sin theta. This implies r cos theta is equal to 1 and r sin theta is equal to root 3. So squaring both sides, then adding, you will get the result r square is equal to, means r you will get result 2. This implies r you will get 2 and r is mod of z, and dividing this, result will be tan theta is equal to root 3. Tan theta is root 3. So root 3 is positive, root 3 is positive. So this one we can write tan of pi by 3. This implies theta is equal to pi by 3. Pi by 3 means 60 degree. So we have to find out polar form or argument. Its argument will be equal to theta, and theta value is pi by 3. So argument of z we can write, that is pi by 3. This is the second answer. Now in polar format, this is the answer, this is the answer, and we have to find out polar form. So polar form r cos theta and r sin theta, you know theta and r, so you can put the values of theta and r in this polar format equation, so you will get the result. Polar form, you will get a result z is equal to 2 times cos pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3. This is the answer. So modulus, argument and polar. This question is completed. See. Now I will come to the next question. The next question is find the modulus argument of this complex number. Complex number is given is question number 2. Question number 2 is find or convert the given complex number in polar form. Or convert in polar form. Convert in polar form. And given complex number z is equal to, this is given 1 minus I. So 1 minus I is given and we have to convert in polar form. So you will see the given complex number solution, given complex number that is z is equal to 1 minus I. Since x is greater than 0 and y is less than 0, means this will lies in second, greater than less than means fourth quadrant. Now we have to convert in polar, since complex number in polar form z is equal to r cos theta plus I r sin theta. So after comparing from Cartesian to polar, you will get r cos theta is equal to 1 and r sin theta is equal to minus 1. Now squaring and adding this equation, you will get r square is equal to 1 square plus 1 square, this is 2 square, so r you will get 2, root 2. R result you will get root 2. This implies r you will get root 2 on squaring and adding. And now when divide r sin theta upon r cos theta, result you will get minus 1. This implies tan theta you will get minus 1, and minus 1 is the value in tan, that is tan of minus tan of pi by 4 and tan 3 pi by 4 also, tan 3 pi by 4. So minus tan of pi by 4, you will take their mod, so theta you will get theta value is tan inverse mod of y by x. So theta value is tan inverse y by x, because I am using here minus pi by 4, so its result will be tan inverse mod of minus 1 upon 1, and its result you will get pi by 4. Now theta is equal to pi by 4. Now in polar form, you know, r is equal to and theta is equal to also. So theta is acute. So what can you get the values of? Theta is equal to pi by 4 you will get here, and you know, theta is equal to minus alpha. Theta is equal to minus alpha in case of fourth quadrant, since x is greater than 0, and y is less than 0, therefore theta is equal to minus alpha. This implies theta is equal to minus pi by 4, and complex number z will be equal to r. R means root 2, this is cos of minus pi by 4 plus I root 2 sin of minus pi by 4. Now this is the complex number in polar form. Complex number in polar form. See, now I will come to the next question. The next question is, find the argument of the complex number. Find the argument of the complex number. Now see, question number 3 is, argument of complex number, and complex number is given, that is minus root 3 plus I, minus root 3 plus I. So given complex number, Z is equal to minus root 3 plus I. We have to convert, or we have to find out its modulus argument. So in case of argument, first of all, what we have to calculate? First of all, you have to compare from polar form. So since complex number in polar form, that is Z is equal to R cos theta plus IR sin theta. Comparing this equation 1 and equation 2, what you will get the result? You will get R cos theta is equal to minus root 3 and R sin theta is equal to 1. So squaring and adding, you can get its value, means R value, you can get root 3 whole square, 3 plus 1 4, 4 result is 2, means R is equal to 2, and dividing this, you will get tan theta is equal to minus 1 by root 3, minus 1 by root 3. So you know theta is equal to tan inverse y by x in modulus. So this implies we can write theta is equal to tan inverse minus 1 by root 3, and its result will be pi by 6. Its result will be pi by 6. This is negative, so its result will be pi by 6. So theta value is pi by 6. Now you know theta, so what will be its argument? Since you know x is, since from complex number, since x is negative and y is positive, therefore negative and positive in case this will lies in second quadrant, and in second quadrant you know second quadrant the argument of z is equal to pi minus alpha, and alpha is equal to theta, you know. So you can write here pi minus pi by 6, and the result you will get 5 pi by 6. 5 pi by 6 is the argument of z. This is the answer. Now question number 3 is completed. Now come to the next question. The next question is question number 4. Question number 4 is find the modulus and argument of complex number, and complex number is z is equal to minus 1 minus root 3, minus 1 minus I times root 3. This is the complex number. Now solution. Given complex number z is equal to minus 1 minus I times root 3. Minus 1 minus I times root 3. Now, since you know the polar form, equation, you know z is equal to r cos theta plus I r sin theta. Now, on comparing, you will see r cos theta is equal to minus 1 and r sin theta is equal to root 3. And when you will square, then add, you can get the values of 1 r and also theta you can find out. So, squaring then adding, you will get r is equal to 2 and theta is equal to means tan theta result. Tan theta result you will get root 3 upon minus 1 means minus root 3, and you know theta is equal to tan inverse mod of y by x. So, result will be minus root 3 by 1, minus root 3 by 1, and now its result will be theta is equal to root 3 means minus root 3 means root 3, and root 3 value is pi by 3, means theta is pi by 3. And you know, since x is less than 0 and y is less than 0, x is less than 0 and y is less than 0, since from this expression r is equal to 2, this implies we can write mod of z, this modulus is equal to root 2, modulus is equal to 2, because this is so simple calculation, square and add, because you have to find out modulus. So, x is less than 0 and y is less than 0, therefore, argument of z we can write minus time pi minus alpha, and minus time pi minus alpha means this is theta is equal to alpha, you know, in case of acute angle. So, this is acute. So, you can write here minus time pi minus pi by 3, and its result will be minus 2 pi by 3. This is argument of z. Argument of z. Now, this is the answer. See. This is question number 3. Again see explanation, or when you will see on graph, this is z and z value is minus 1 minus I times root 3. This is negative y, this is negative x, this is 0 comma 0. In third quadrant, x is less than 0 and y is also less than 0, and its polar format z is equal to, you will see polar form we can write also, argument of z is here minus 2 pi by 3, and polar format will be equal to polar form. I am writing here polar form. So, polar form, when you will convert polar form, so polar form z is equal to r value is 2. So, 2 in bracket cos of minus 2 pi by 3 plus I sin minus 2 pi by 3. This is also polar form, this is extra question. See. extra question. Extra question. Now this is completed. Modulus, argument and polar. This all is completed. See.